Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about objects in Python because I get a lot of messages online from people telling me that they did not completely understand objects in Python. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I upload a useful video like that. So let's get started. First of all, let's discuss the conception of objects. An object is anything that has properties. So for example, a car is an object. It has properties. It has a color, it has speed, it has a motor, it has a date of production. A human is also an object. A human has hands, has ears, has maybe skin color, has many properties. And anything around you, just think about anything around you. Your room, for example, has wall colors, has stuff inside it. It has also a specific design or style. So now let's convert that into programming. To create an object in Python, you first create a class of that object of that object and specify the properties inside that class. So first of all, I'm going to create a class. Create a class by typing class and then the name of that class. In our case, a car, just car, C-A-R, and always it's conventional to add to make the first letter of a class capital, and then what you would add is just colon and then start a new line, and here you can list out all of the properties. So a car might have a year of production, color, motor, speed, any other properties that you can think of. They are limitless. So I'm gonna make it easier for you. First of all, create a constructor, and a constructor is just a function that will run immediately once you create an object. So to create a constructor, just add double underscore and then init, and then again double underscore, and then self, and then don't care about this, don't think about this too much, it's just a housekeeping stuff. And then you here add any properties that you want to create for this car. So I'm gonna just add the speed as well as the color, so that I don't want to make it complicated for you. Inside this function, inside this constructor, you just add self and then dot speed, and speed it's going to be equal to the speed that you pass to this constructor, which is speed, and a new line for the color, exactly the same for as we did with the speed. Self dot color dot equals to color. So now we have here a class called car, and in order to create an object of that class, you just get out of this class and create a variable car equals to car, just the name of that class, and parentheses, and you pass two parameters, one for the speed and one for the color. So I'm gonna pass, for example, the maximum speed is 160 and the color is, let's say, red. Now if I print the car object, I am gonna get the location in the memory of that object, and as you can see, I get the location of that object in the memory. But if I want to get the speed or any property of that car, I just call it by using the dot notation, car dot speed. I should now get 160, and as you can see, I get 160. If I want to get the color, I just call the color property and I get red. So that is the concept of objects in Python or any programming language. It's something in real life that you convert into programming so that it will make your life easier when you start coding. So that's it for this tutorial. If you like my channel, share, like, and subscribe, and check the description below because I have created a free ebook that you can download now on how to make money coding. And also there are a bunch of courses in Python and in other programming languages if you are serious about taking your skills in programming to the next level. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.